So I got something different for you guys today. This is a Silverado single cab SS conversion. It's got the SS wheels, rocker panels from the crew cab. SS only comes in the crew cab. This is a single cab with the V8 converted into SS with the front end. That's a SS front end. I'm not sure what the difference is from the HD front end. This one has a brand new paint job. Looking pretty good. Looks glossy. The body isn't super straight, but it's a pretty clean truck. I've never had a truck like this before. I've never really had a Silverado in general. This is my first one. It's got side pipes. It's got headers as well, intake, Canon intake, and then some headers that are carb legal, but I don't know what brand they are. I'm not too good with the parts on this. Other than that, it's pretty much stock. Drilled and slotted rotors in the front, lowered on springs. It's pretty low in the front. And then in the rear, you can see in the bed, it's C-notched. So they C-notched the frame. What that means is you can see right there, the frame has a C in it. So they cut that out so that way it could ride lower without smacking the frame every time you hit bumps and your suspension hits it. Not sure if these are SS taillights. I'm not a professional on the trucks, on the Chevys. SS emblems on the back. Pretty dope back bumper. Pretty sure that's SS back bumper. That doesn't look like what the regular Silverado comes with. But yeah, other than that, pretty much stock truck with fresh paint. It's got a fully working sunroof that slides back. Limo tinted windows. You can see me in the reflection. Can't even see inside it. Let's check it out inside. Pretty much stock interior. It does have a sound system, in-dash stereo. They did a pretty good job on the sunroof. Looks pretty nice. Interior is decent. You know, it's not too beat up. But yeah, that's about it. This is my first Silverado on the channel and my first time owning a Silverado in general. I like the single cabs. They're cool. They're a little big still for me, but they're cool little trucks. I'm not gonna keep this one, but I wanted to make a video before I do sell it. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys this truck. I'm pretty sure some of you will like this truck on my channel. I'll start it up. You guys can hear the exhaust. I'll show you a little bit under the engine, and then that'll be it for this truck. Alright, there we go. 5.3 V8. This is what the regular Silverado comes with. You see right there, we got some headers and they're stamped, so they have the carb legal code on them. This is a Canon carb legal intake, I believe. And then that's about it for the engine. MSD, plug wires. I'm not sure what spark plugs are on this, but other than that, it's pretty stock. Truck runs pretty good, no leaks at all. AC. It's pretty hot out here, but you know, I need to film that content for you guys, so I'm out here in the heat. But yeah, that's about it. Overall thoughts of the truck. I like these trucks. These are cool. I would recommend them if you like V8s, you know, if you like muscle cars and stuff. It's a cool truck to have, but I don't think I could daily drive it. It's just too big for me. I just had to own one. That's why I had to bring it to my channel. I'm more of like, I'll take a Toyota Tacoma or a Toyota 4Runner over a Silverado. But obviously only the 4Runner comes in a V8 in like a certain amount of years. I'll probably get one of those soon. But yeah, this is my first Silverado. It's pretty nice. I like it. Pretty nice build. Whoever built it, I did it. And decent paint job. It's cool.